Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites: your level, a reliable crew, and a populated server. Once done, watch the map and join busy channels because raids spawn faster with player activity. Move immediately to the island where the raid usually appears. Don't waste time returning to the hub. Make sure your fruit cooldowns are set and your best damage gear is equipped so you can contribute from the first encounter. This fast preparation prevents missed spawns and ensures you're present when the raid boss appears. Once on the hunt, use server chat and raid announcements to narrow down candidate islands. Those messages often reveal approximate regions. Make sure to scan the horizon and listen for the distinct boss roar or music change, because audio cues are reliable and faster than map icons. Coordinate movement with your team, assign search vectors, and converge on any landmark where mobs cluster. If you find a small patrol of mobs, follow them. They frequently lead to the raid boss's location, so converge quickly and be ready to engage. When you locate the raid boss, open with your highest damage combo to exploit early vulnerability windows. This prevents prolonged fights and reduces wipe risk. Keep positioning in mind, kiting, and area control matter. If the boss despawns or someone disconnects, make sure to rejoin or switch servers immediately because spawn timers can reset unpredictably. Finally, if things go wrong, regroup using party invites and respawn beacons. Then return as a coordinated unit so you don't lose another spawn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.